I found a great website that not a lot of people talk about and that will actually pay you real money for doing simple work. But I also found an absolutely free software that will do the work for you and make you earn some online money without having any experience or having to spend time doing the work. Now, before I show you these websites, make sure to drop a like on the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated for new juicy content every day with various ways of making money every day. Also, make sure to follow each and every step in this video to ensure that this method works well for you. The software that is going to do the work for you is absolutely free. No subscriptions, no plans of any sort, so you can make money while being on autopilot. Before we get into this software, we need to head to this website right here. This website is called Creative Jobs, and the link is cjinc.info. Let me repeat that. cjinc.info. This website offers online work for people that are willing to do so, except that in our case, we will be doing nothing at all. Since the software I'm going to share with you in this video is going to do the entire work for us automatically. CJINC are recruiting people like you and me who are looking for opportunities to make free money online every day. This website features tons of fields. For example, we have market research, which is just filling out simple online surveys from the comfort of your own home, and your earnings go through PayPal, Payza, Moneybookers, NetTeller, or Amazon gift cards even. Type-in jobs. An online typist can earn an average of $3.5 to $6 per page. Proofreading. Earning $5 has never been easier, as you can make that per every page you correct the mistakes of. We have also translation, advertising, and online teaching. Down below, these are the testimonials for the people that worked with this website. The job we are interested in for this method to work with our free-to-use software is proofreading. If we scroll back up, select career, and then click on proofreading job, we can find more information about the nature of this job. Basically, in short, for proofreading, you will be receiving articles and you will be asked to read them and make sure to correct all the mistakes. This work is very boring and tiring. That's why we have our free-to-use tool that will guarantee us a passive income for free, without doing any work at all. When you're ready, scroll down and click for Apply for Jobs. You're gonna have to fill in the form below and apply for the job position. I already applied and received my first order in less than a day. This is the first article I got, and if you look closely, this one has 3 pages. I made around $30 by using the software to proofread this article alone. I spent no time at all checking what the content is. What we want to do now is select the entire text, copy it, and then we're gonna head to this website, slickwrite.com. So, we're going to click on Start Writing. Then in the next page, paste the text we copied in the form in the middle. Click on Continue and watch how beautiful and correct the result is. You can 100% be sure that every single word in this article is now correct, and you can go ahead and turn in your work and get paid. It is as easy as that. It's a really simple and easy to use method to make money online that anyone can do, even beginners and people with no experience at all. It's one of the easiest ways of making money online. If you found this method helpful, leave a comment below with your results, like the video, and if you haven't already, subscribe for more content to come. We upload every single day.